sunny day in late July and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned.
So ayan, good afternoon. Magka-camping naman kami today. Kaya lang natin kung sila Vincent, sila Sig, sila Merl nasa Jollibee para bumili ng food for lunch. So ako, ibang kotse gamit ko dahil ibang sasabay sa akin. Si Merl lang magdadrive ngayon ng crosswind namin ng Sportivo. Dahil may mga ibang sasabay at kailangan ako mag-drive papuntang Tanay, papunta sa aming campsite ngayong araw. So 3 days and 2 nights to. Mamaya kita tayo sa campsite. Sana hindi maulan, sana medyo maaraw-araw para at least magandang weather at mag-enjoy lahat, makapaglaro, ma-enjoy namin yung lugar. So yan, kahits.
Hi, welcome sa vlog ni Ken.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
So, mga kasama ko ngayon, mga tahimik lang. Saka hindi maiingay. So, hindi tayo mapapahiya ngayong araw na to.
Kamali kayo dyan. Pag mag-iingay,
bawal tahimik.
Saka mga single to.
Single sa iyo.
Single ready to mingle.
Single ang
Ready makipaglandian to sa Tanay.
Yan. May magdaan yung may magawak ng flower. Sisigawan namin.
Si Taten sa naghintay kanina? Doon naghintay si Taten.
May kabalintino.
Ay, may kabalintino sa kahapon. May kausap niya.
Sabi niya, doon daw kami
Uy, ikaw, nunood. Lala ko crush mo.
Grabe naman yung kagad, Taten. Huwag naman ganun.
7!
Okay.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Naintindihan ko na. Number pala yun.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest.
Babayaran ko na rin kayo?
Oo, pwede naman, ma'am. 4 na adult kami dito.
Kami na dito.
At kami cover nyo, Vincent?
I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay.
Pakapag natin.
Abnoy
Fika. Ano yan, Fika?
Fika Haven Farm. Fika Haven Farm.
area.
Fika Haven Farm.
Diba dito na?
Hello, good girls!
Welcome!
Good girls!
Welcome
diba?
to A1.
Ang tatahimik ng mga kasama ko sa kotse.
Met him on a sunny day in late July and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. 'Cause we want times I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy.
Enjoy ba atin?
Yes, enjoy na enjoy. Basta ang si Busing ang kasama namin.
Tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on.
Where's the captain? Where?
Bigor.
Ligo, daddy.
Bigor, daddy.
Ligo.
Sino una? Nayali. Ay! Ay! Sino una Nayali? Nandito yung rice. Ay, una nilalagay. Okay.
Turuan mo ako.
Di ba kasi yung makita yung nakitan kasi ako yung tatlo. Yes po.
Good.
Ayun, gunting na kayo.
Very good yung eating.
Eat up.
Yung barbecue, nasa na?
Yan, pwede kita ilipat.
Kain. Kain.
Gusto mo magluto ng itlog mamaya? No, that's not.
Woke up this morning, sunlight in my eyes. Birds are singing, no more cloudy skies. Breezes whisper through tall green trees. Laughter echoes in the summer breeze. Sunny days are here, no more fear, feel the cheer. Shining bright and clear. Kids are playing in the streets nearby. Kites are flying, paint the blue sky. Flowers blooming in vibrant array. Love and friendship colors our day. Sunny days are here, no more fear, feel the cheer. Shining bright and clear.
Kape ba yan, Sig?
Sabi. Tapos, naman nagulat ako. Ayun na pumasok ng tent.
May ano kagabi, may parang nag-uubo na
Fish? Okay.
Ayang tuyo. Wala pa ka ng pilat eh.
hirap eh.
Kung hindi ka, no?
Paano yun? Buntis ako.
Anong buntis? Yan ang ninaano.
Way up to the light, blue day shining bright. Feel the warmth inside.
So good morning, nandito kami ngayon sa kotse ni Vincent. Naghahanap kami ng signal kasi kailangan namin ng OTP. Kawawa naman kami. Tingnan mo. Kawawa sila. Umiyak na si kami.
Ayun, okay na. Pag-transfer na ako.
Okay na.
Goods na.
Si Mams, yung kinagulat mo Mams, patingin nga ako paano Mams. Patingin. Mams. Tingin ka dito isang beses lang. Kaway ka. Kaway ka Mams.
Ay! May ganun!
I can't believe. Kaway, kaway! Okay, punta namin campsite ulit. Punta lang namin yung daanan dito. Kapit naman nung naka 4x4 na yun. Okay talaga nun. Okay, kita kits. Balik na sa Pika Haven. Ang cute na itong dalawang to.
Mahilig ka pala, Zoe, tubig man.
Ayan, sumali. Ayan.
Huwag yan! Talaga ako humigit yun.
Bawang ba tayo?
All right. Hi.
Dito na sila Ruel. Nakabal sila kanina. Ito na nila. Sila overnight. So, kami taking lunch.
Pati ni text nito. Sakto lang.
Tita Mitch. Papainumin ko kayo.
Tita Mitch! Ano gagawin mo din, Mitch?
Kaya kumakain lang naman sila. Kaya picnic. Kaya Lenzo.
Anong cellphone mo yan?
Hindi, kung okay naman mag-ulit naman ba?
Oo, magiging okay din naman. Kasi pag sa akin mo, okay na yung heroin. Wala na yan.
Go ahead, have fun.
So, medyo madilim na. Nasa 8 PM na. So, ito yung itsura ng campsite sa Pika Haven pagka sobrang daming tao. Meron doon. Meron dito. Meron dyan. Palibot. Ito sa harap namin. Doon. Lapit sa CR. Ito yung setup namin. Dito kami. So, gano'n kadami. Madami yung mga campers pagka weekends. Ngayon Pika Haven.
You better tell the truth real fast, and then we're probably done at last. 'Cause I got somewhere to be, and you're done deceiving me into thinking I couldn't do better. Yeah, I know I was probably crazy, thinking someday you'd change. There's nothing left to do now, so I'm playing the game. And so, heartbreaker, I've been working you out. You made loads of mistakes, but none that you talk about. I'm watching every move you make, and I'm on to you. Come on, heartbreaker, give in and surrender to me. You should have probably let me go, but you've got a porcelain ego, talking fast and punching low, making sure that there are no traces of thinking I could have done better. Yeah, I know I was probably crazy, thinking someday you'd change. There's nothing left to do now, so I'm playing the game. And so, heartbreaker, I've been working you out.
Welcome to PKA Farm! Woo!
You made loads of mistakes, but none that you talk about. I'm watching every move you make, and I'm on to you. Come on, heartbreaker, give in and surrender to me. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Dylan! Bad boy, bad boy.
Ako doon. Certain naunat sa face. Siguro siya.